How to pay the seller in a P2P trade. When you place a buy order on Binance P2P, please note that you need to pay the seller directly based on the payment information provided. The transaction is not completed on Binance app. For example, if a seller accepts bank transfer, then you need to copy the payment information. Paste it one by one in your mobile banking app and transfer the money through your mobile bank. Once the transaction is completed, please save the receipt to your phone or computer. Then, go back to the Binance app and mark as paid by clicking Transferred Next button. Please do not click Transferred Next if you have not made any transactions. This will violate the P2P user transaction policy.